Harvard Chan School is focusing on this new program of public health and business leadership, largely because COVID-19 allowed us to see how many opportunities we're missing.
Business leaders should be able to apply a public health lens to looking at their business situation and to looking at competitive advantage.
We see this as senior executives who want to get involved and grow their understanding of public health and bring those tools back into their organizations.
Harvard has a world-class faculty across so many different disciplines and domains who have experience in working in the public, private, and government sector in ways that are positioned to solve big problems.
What we've seen over the COVID crisis is that business decisions rely on the fundamental science produced in the field of public health.
You can have a safe place to share, explore new ideas, and to really innovate.
The relationships you build at Harvard travel with you into your career and travel with you for decades.
Those close relationships are relationships that will not just occur in the program, but you'll be able to call up people years in the future.
Committed to making sure that the assets that live within the scholarship of public health and the practice of public health is brought forward to C-suite executives who are managing large populations, who are managing supply chains, and who have the capacity to be real partners in building back society in a post-COVID, more robust and resilient way.